Which organelle is responsible for cellular respiration? Your options: nucleus, mitochondria, endoplasmic reticulum, or Golgi apparatus. And the correct answer is B, and that is mitochondria. The mitochondria are the powerhouses of the cell and are responsible for cellular respiration, producing energy in the form of ATP. Question number 2. What is the main function of red blood cells, RBC? Your options: transporting oxygen, fighting infections, producing antibodies, or storing nutrients. The correct answer is A, and that is transporting oxygen. Red blood cells or erythrocytes primarily function to transport oxygen from the lungs to the rest of the body. Question number 3. What is the smallest unit of life? Your options: cell, molecule, atom, or organism. The correct answer is A, and that is cell. The cell is the basic structural and functional unit of all living organisms. Question number 4. Which scientist is known for proposing the theory of evolution by natural selection? Your options: Gregor Mendel, Charles Darwin, Louis Pasteur, or James Watson. The correct answer is B, and that is Charles Darwin. The Charles Darwin proposed the theory of evolution by natural selection in his work on the origin of species. Question number 5. What is the function of the enzyme amylase? Your options: breaking down proteins, breaking down lipids, breaking down carbohydrates, or synthesizing DNA. The correct answer is C, and that is breaking down carbohydrates. Amylase is an enzyme that breaks down carbohydrates, specifically starch, into sugars. Question number 6. Which type of tissue connects muscle to bone? Your options: epithelial tissue, connective tissue, nervous tissue, or muscle tissue. And the correct answer is B, and that is connective tissue. Tendons, a type of connective tissue, connects muscles to bones. Question number 7. Dear friends, welcome to Competitive Exam Channel. And today you are going to become perfect in 100 most repeated MCQs based on biology that were asked in many kinds of medical exams. So please watch the video completely to make yourself fit for upcoming examinations. And if you like the video, please do like and subscribe our channel. Let's continue. Question number 7. What is the role of the chloroplast in plant cell? Your options: synthesizing proteins, storing water, photosynthesis, or cellular respiration. The correct answer is C, and that is photosynthesis. Chloroplasts are responsible for photosynthesis, the process by which plants convert light energy into chemical energy. Which blood vessels carry blood away from the heart? Your options: arteries, veins, capillaries, or venules. The correct answer is A, and that is arteries. Arteries carry oxygenated blood away from the heart to the rest of the body. Question number 9. What is the function of the nucleolus? Your options: synthesizing lipids, synthesizing proteins, producing ribosomes, or storing genetic information. And the correct answer is C, and that is producing ribosomes. The nucleolus is involved in the production of ribosomes within the cell. Question number 10. What is the main function of the respiratory system? Your options: pumping blood, digesting food, exchanging gases, or filtering waste. And the correct answer is C, and that is exchanging gases. The respiratory system is responsible for exchange of gases, particularly oxygen and carbon dioxide. Question number 11. Which organelle is responsible for detoxifying harmful substances in the liver cells? Your options: Golgi apparatus, smooth endoplasmic reticulum, lysosome, or peroxisome. The correct answer is D, and that is peroxisome. The peroxisome is involved in detoxification process in the liver. Question number 12. What is the genetic material in virus? Your options: DNA, RNA, both DNA and RNA, or protein. And the correct answer is C, and that is DNA and RNA. Some viruses contain both DNA and RNA as the genetic material. Question number 13. What is the purpose of the Krebs cycle in cellular respiration? Your options: production of ATP, oxidation of glucose, synthesis of lipids, or breakdown of pyruvate. The correct answer is A, and that is production of ATP. The Krebs cycle, also known as the citric acid cycle, is responsible for producing ATP during cellular respiration. Question number 14. What is the function of the enzyme DNA polymerase? Unzipping DNA, synthesizing RNA, synthesizing DNA strands during replication, or breaking down DNA. The correct answer is C, and that is synthesizing DNA strands during replication. DNA polymerase is responsible for synthesizing new DNA strands during DNA replication. Question number 15. In which phase of the cell cycle does DNA replication occur? Your options: G1 phase, S phase, G2 phase, or M phase. The correct answer is B, and that is S phase. DNA replication occurs during the S synthesis phase of the cell cycle. Question number 16. What is the function of the enzyme lipase? Your options: breaking down proteins, breaking down lipids, breaking down carbohydrates, or synthesizing RNA. The correct answer is B, and that is breaking down lipids. Lipase is an enzyme that breaks down lipids, means fats. Question number 17. Which type of cell division results in the formation of gametes, sperm and egg cells? Your options: mitosis, meiosis, binary fission, or budding. The correct answer is B, and that is meiosis. Meiosis is the type of cell division that leads to the formation of gametes with half the number of chromosomes. Question number 18. What is the function of the ribosomes in a cell? Your options: synthesizing lipids, synthesizing proteins, storing genetic information, or detoxifying substances. The correct answer is B, that is synthesizing proteins. The ribosomes are responsible for protein synthesis in the cell. Question number 19. Which hormone is responsible for regulating blood sugar levels? Your options: insulin, estrogen, testosterone, or thyroxine. And the correct answer is A, and that is insulin. Insulin is the hormone that regulates blood sugar levels by promoting the uptake of glucose into cells. Question number 20. Which structure in plant cells provides rigidity and support? Your options: vacuole, chloroplast, cell membranes, or cell wall. The correct answer is D, and that is cell wall. The cell wall provides structural support and rigidity in plant cells. Question number 21. What is the role of the Golgi apparatus in the cell? Your options: protein synthesis, energy production, lipid storage, or modifying and packaging proteins for secretion. The correct answer is D, and that is modifying and packaging proteins for secretion. The Golgi apparatus modifies, sorts, and packages proteins for secretion or for use within the cell. Question number 22. Which of the following is an example of a prokaryotic cell? Your options: animal cell, plant cell, bacterial cell, or fungal cell. And the correct answer is C, and that is bacterial cell. Prokaryotic cells lack a true nucleus and membranes bound organelles. Bacteria are example of prokaryotic cells. Question number 23. What is the primary function of white blood cells, WBCs? Your options: carrying oxygen, fighting infections, clotting blood, or transporting nutrients. The correct answer is B, and that is fighting infections. White blood cells play a crucial role in the immune system that fights against infections and foreign invaders. Question number 24. What is the purpose of mitosis? Your options: production of gametes, growth and repair of body tissues, reduction of chromosome number, or synthesis of proteins. The correct answer is B, that is growth and repair of body tissues. The mitosis is a type of cell division responsible for growth and repair of body tissues. Question number 25. Which of the following is a function of the nervous system? Your options: pumping blood, digesting food, controlling body movements, or synthesizing hormones. The correct answer is C, that is controlling body movements. The nervous system is responsible for controlling body movements and transmitting signals between different parts of the body. Question number 26. What is the function of the enzyme catalase? Your options: breaking down proteins, breaking down lipids, breaking down carbohydrates, or breaking down hydrogen peroxide. And the correct answer is D, and that is breaking down hydrogen peroxide. The catalase is an enzyme that breaks down hydrogen peroxide into water and oxygen. Question number 27. Which organelle is responsible for producing ATP through cellular respiration in eukaryotic cells? Your options: nucleus, mitochondria, endoplasmic reticulum, or Golgi apparatus. The right answer is B, and that is mitochondria. The mitochondria are the sites of cellular respiration and produce ATP. Question number 28. What is the purpose of the enzyme amylase in the digestive system? Your options: breaking down proteins, breaking down lipids, breaking down carbohydrates, or absorbing nutrients. And the correct answer is C, and that is breaking down carbohydrates. Amylase is responsible for breaking down carbohydrates, specifically starch, into simpler sugars. Question number 29. In a food chain, what is the primary source of energy? Your options: consumers, producers, decomposers, or herbivores. And the right answer is B, and that is producers. Producers, usually plants, are the primary source of energy in a food chain as they undergo photosynthesis. Question number 30. Which of the following is a nitrogenous base found in DNA? Your options: adenine, guanine, thymine, or all of the above. And the correct answer is D, all of the above. Adenine, guanine, and thymine are all nitrogenous bases found in DNA. Question number 31. What is the role of the endocrine system in the body? Your options: control and coordination of body movements, digestion of food, regulation of hormones and metabolism, or oxygen transport. The correct answer is C, that is regulation of hormones and metabolism. The endocrine system is responsible for producing and regulating hormones, which play a crucial role in metabolism and various psychological processes. Question number 32. Which of the following is a function of the protein keratin? Your options: muscles contraction, blood clotting, hair and nail formation, or oxygen transport. And the correct answer is C, and that is hair and nail formation. The keratin is a structural protein that contributes to the formation of hair and nails. Question number 33. What is the primary function of the nephron in the kidney? Your options: blood clotting, filtration and excretion of waste products, synthesis of red blood cells, or digestion of proteins. The correct answer is B, and that is filtration and excretion of waste products. The nephrons are responsible for filtering blood and excreting waste products that maintains electrolyte balance and regulate blood pressure. Question number 34. In which phase of meiosis do chromosomes align along the center of the cell? Your options: prophase, metaphase, anaphase, or telophase. The correct answer is B, and that is metaphase. During metaphase, chromosomes align at the cell's equator before being pulled apart during anaphase. Question number 35. What is the function of the enzyme lactase? The options: breaking down lipids, breaking down proteins, breaking down lactose, or synthesizing carbohydrates. The correct answer C, and that is breaking down lactose. The lactase is an enzyme that breaks down lactose, a sugar found in milk. Question number 36. Which of the following is a characteristic of a prokaryotic cell? Your options: nucleus, membrane-bound organelles, circular DNA, or multicellularity. The correct answer is C, and that is circular DNA. The prokaryotic cell such as bacteria, typically have a circular DNA and lack a true nucleus or membranes-bound organelles. Question number 37. What is the main function of the hypothalamus in the brain? Your options: memory and learning, temperature regulation and hormone control, vision or perception, or coordination of motor activities. The correct answer is B, and that is temperature regulation and hormone control. The hypothalamus plays a crucial role in regulating body temperature, controlling hormones, and maintaining homeostasis. Question number 38. Which of the following is a renewable source of energy in the process of photosynthesis? Your options: oxygen, carbon dioxide, glucose, or sunlight. The correct answer is D, and that is sunlight. Sunlight is the renewable source of energy used by plants during the process of photosynthesis to convert carbon dioxide and water into glucose. Question number 39. What is the purpose of the enzyme RNA polymerase? Your options: synthesizing DNA, synthesizing RNA, breaking down proteins, or breaking down lipids. The correct answer is B, and that is synthesizing RNA. RNA polymerase is responsible for synthesizing RNA from DNA during the process of transcription. Question number 40. Which part of the human brain is associated with coordination and balance? Your options: cerebrum, cerebellum, medulla oblongata, or thalamus. The correct answer is B, and that is cerebellum. The cerebellum is responsible for coordination, balance, and voluntary muscles movements. Question number 41. What is the function of the enzyme pepsin in the digestive system? Your options: breaking down carbohydrates, breaking down lipids, breaking down proteins, or absorbing nutrients. The correct answer is C, and that is breaking down proteins. Pepsin is an enzyme that breaks down proteins in the stomach during digestion. Question number 42. What is the primary function of the sinoatrial SA node in the heart? Your options: pumping blood, conducting electrical signals, filtering waste, or regulating blood pressure. And the correct answer is B, and that is conducting electrical signals. The SA node is responsible for initiating and conducting electrical signals and regulating the heart's rhythm. Question number 43. Which of the following is a function of the immune system? Your options: oxygen transport, regulation of hormones, defense against pathogens, or synthesis of protein. The correct answer is C, and that is defense against pathogens. The immune system functions to defend the body against pathogens, including bacteria, viruses, and other harmful microorganisms. Question number 44. What is the purpose of the enzyme trypsin in the digestive system? Your options: breaking down carbohydrates, breaking down lipids, breaking down proteins, or absorbing nutrients. And the correct answer is C, and that is breaking down proteins. The trypsin is an enzyme that breaks down proteins in the small intestine during digestion process. Question number 45. In a DNA molecule, adenine pairs with which nitrogenous base? Your options: thymine, guanine, cytosine, or uracil. And the correct answer is A, that is thymine. Adenine pairs with thymine in DNA through hydrogen bonding. Question number 46. What is the function of the alveoli in the respiratory system? Your options: gas exchange, filtration of air, voice production, or oxygen transport. The correct answer is A, that is gas exchange. Alveoli are tiny air sacs in the lungs where gas exchange, it means oxygen and carbon dioxide, occurs with the blood. Question number 47. Which organelle is responsible for breaking down and recycling cellular waste? The options: lysosome, peroxisome, Golgi apparatus, or endoplasmic reticulum. The correct answer is A, and that is lysosome. The lysosomes are membrane-bound organelles containing enzymes for breaking down cellular waste and debris. Question number 48. What is the main function of the hormone insulin? The options: regulation of blood sugar levels, regulation of metabolism, stimulating growth, or controlling blood pressure. And the correct answer is A, that is regulation of blood sugar levels. Insulin regulates blood sugar levels by facilitating the uptake of glucose into cells. Question number 49. Which of the following is a primary function of the large intestine? Your options: absorption of nutrients, filtration of blood, storage of bile, or absorption of water and electrolytes. And the correct answer is D, and that is absorption of water and electrolytes. The large intestine absorbs water and electrolytes from the undigested food that form feces. Question number 50. What is the role of the enzyme helicase during DNA replication? Your options: synthesizing new DNA strands, unzipping the DNA double helix, proofreading DNA, or repairing damaged DNA. The correct answer is B, that is unzipping the DNA double helix. The helicase is responsible for unwinding and unzipping the DNA double helix during DNA replication that creates single-stranded templates for synthesis. So friends, hope you found the video helpful. If it is, then please do like and subscribe our channel. And please comment your score out of 50 in the comment section. And the second part of this video will be uploaded day after tomorrow. So thank you so much for watching. See you with the next video and all the best for your upcoming exams.